contractor nagagawa ng building, bakit kasama contractor? Ha?
Mr. President,
Ano yan, negosyo? Ha? Na i-deprive ang poor ng mga lupa nila, tapos ninegosyohin nyo yung lupa? Ano yon? Ba't may contractor at ano yon, ibebenta? Sabi nila, how are you able to buy? You have to apply sa pag-ibig. And if you're
combine yon dun sa components ng 4PH na ito nga, gaya ng sinabi nyo, over time, naging 4-story. So, yun po ay consistent dun sa mid-rise na condominium na sinasabi na I hear the good gentlewoman, Mr. President.
500 pesos for the land.
Yeah.
That they can afford. O later on, magsisave sila. Pag lumaki ang anak nila, nakakasave sila, then slowly they build their homes there on the land. But ang sinasabi ko, don't deprive them of the land because you want to build condominium.
Yes, Mr.
They cannot
President.
afford